No condensed milk nor sour cream, and you only use 3 ingredients. In a container, start by adding 2 cups of milk, then 2 packets of passion fruit flavored juice. Here I am using the package that makes 1 liter of juice. Now just mix it up just fine. And book next door. In another container, add 1 packet of unflavored gelatin and hydrate it with 100 ml of hot water. Stir until the gelatin dissolves completely. Add the gelatin to the mixture and stir everything again. After that, I passed the mixture to a container with spout and I was adding 200 ml glass, but you can use a platter or other container of your choice. We are all set. Now just take it to the fridge until it hardens. And look how amazing does it look. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy, and super economical recipe, made with ingredients that you have in your home. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.